So, maiba naman tayo, Kuya Boy. Kamusta na si Chris Aquino? Kailan siya
Kausap ko
babalik?
kanina.
Oo nga eh. Kasi dami nakakamiss sa kanya. Ang dami naghahanap.
Talaga?
Oo. Sa Instagram niya.
Uy, ikaw
Ang
talaga.
daming comments.
No.
Promise.
She's coming home. I think over the weekend. Hindi ko lamang alam kung anong araw, eksakto, Sabado, Linggo, Lunes. But she will be home.
And, totoo ba yung dalawang shows niya?
I am not in a position to discuss that. Pero I know ABS-CBN and Chris are talking about a possible show or shows. No, klaro naman yun from the very beginning na pag halimbawa bumalik si Chris, ang pagkakaalam ko sa aking pagkakaalam, pag siya nagdesisyon bumalik, ay sila iuupo ng ABS-CBN kung ano ang palabas na pwede nilang gawin.
Di ba before, Kuya Boy, bago magsara yung sa inyo, yung Tonight with
Aquino Nabunda Tonight?
Na mapalit lang yung sayo tapos eventually babalik din kayo together.
Hindi yun ang aming usapan. I was, right after Aquino Nabunda Tonight, I continued doing a show. Aquino Nabunda Tonight, I continued doing it alone, and then bumalik si Chris to say goodbye. And then it transitioned into Tonight with Boy Abunda. In the beginning, we were thinking to make Tonight with Boy Abunda a transition show to something. Inagustuhan, so it stayed.
Kuya Boy, totoo ba yung dapat mag-renew na si Chris Aquino sa ABS pero 1 year lang ang in-offer ng ABS pero ang gusto ni Chris is 5 years?
Yan ang hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam yun. What do I say about it? It's unlikely that an artist would go to a network, in my opinion, and say, gusto ko ng 5 taon. A contract is a mutual agreement between the network and the artist. Pinag-uusapan yun. Pati yung length of contract, cost of contract. But I don't think it reached the... Hindi ko alam. I'm not privy to those discussions. But sa pagkakalam ko, when we sit down for negotiations, ay pinag-uusapan yun. Ano ba ang length ng kontrata? Ano ba ang cost ng kontrata? Ano ba ang deliverables, ika nga, ng both parties involved?